have a question. These little pieces right here, what are they used for? They don't have a backing on them. It's like, I'm not sure what they are. Is it to extend a necklace or something, maybe? And I'm assuming that's a necklace piece, but what is it? I'm not sure what these are. If you know, let me know, because I'd appreciate it, because I have no idea. I don't know if that's like an extender for maybe a bracelet or a necklace, maybe. Or do you put the chain through it, maybe? I don't know. I feel like a chain, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know. I think this one, a chain goes through it and it hangs like that. Now looking at it, I realize that. But this one, I don't know. Let me know. I'll share with you. My mother, that to me is kind of gaudy. Some people might like it. But my mother loved pieces, statement pieces like this. And I've held on to it because when I see it, it reminds me of her and her love of color. She absolutely loved every color in the rainbow, and she loved to wear every color in the rainbow. And I've held on to it because of that, because it's something, to me it's gaudy. You know, I wouldn't wear it. But the fact that Mama, it represents Mama loving color. I don't know. This is a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be, because I don't know. Is that 70s looking or what? Okay, I'm getting rid of a lot. I'm proud of myself. I'll be honest, I'm a little overwhelmed. I've got stuff up here that I put in these containers because it was stuff I did not, I'm sorry, stuff I didn't want. And because it's gaudy to me. I'm sorry, but I don't, I mean, those are okay, but this right here is just, it's gaudy. And I don't like it. That screams 70s. Those are plastic. I don't think there's another one in here. I mean, I'm getting a little overwhelmed. And then I've got another whole, I got 2 drawers left. Maybe I need to stop. I found some more danglies that I need to put in there. It gets overwhelming. Maybe I need to go have some lunch and then I'll come back, because I need to take a break from it, because it is extremely overwhelming. But at least I've got a box now to put all these little pieces in, maybe, or maybe I can find a smaller box. I don't know. But I like what I've done so far. I'm trying to focus on what I've done, because I've got all my hoops, anything Western. I've got just, I don't know what you call these. Just not danglies, not hoops. But, you know, I don't know what you call those. And then my danglies here. And then I've got all the stones here. And then these are all bottom pieces to necklaces. Like, that's a rock. I can feel that that's a rock. But I think I need to investigate, because this one's a rock, and this one's a rock. And I'm like, this was part of a rock. I don't know. Oh, and then we go to the 3rd drawer. I did a little bit better. More stiffer bracelet, I guess you would say, I put in here. And then anything that was Mama's You know, my mom and dad used to square dance. And this is what Daddy would wear as like a bolo, I guess is what you would call it. So, some of the sentimental stuff like that. Like this has got my mom's name on it. It was engraved. I don't know if you can see that. But it was engraved with Mama's name on it. Mama's thimble. That was her, and I can't flip it over, but that was her tag she wore when she was square dancing. So I put all that little stuff in that one little spot, so it's all together. I'll never wear it, but I can't get rid of it because it's got Mama's initials and name on it. I can't do that. Then Mom had all these pearl earrings, these just stud pearls, and I've got one by itself. But anyways, I got a cat bracelet, I've got another stone bracelet, and then a pearl bracelet right here. Okay. Do you know what these are? These are what I call my Wonder Woman bracelets. When I was a child, I used to take these from my mama's jewelry case, and I'd put them on my arms, and you know Wonder Woman had those metal bracelets that she would wear to dart off bullets. Well, I would put these on each arm and go out in the yard and play in them. I've worn them a couple of times when I feel like I need to be in a Wonder Woman frame of mind, and I have worn them and told the story, but I don't think I'll ever get rid of these because I absolutely adore them because they are Wonder Woman bracelets, and that's what I call them. Hers were smoother, and Mama did have some smooth ones, but they were made just like this. It was cool. Anyways, I'll never get rid of those. I'm trying to double, instead of, it only gives you so many spaces for your bracelets. Since they're still in the bag, see, that looks awful small. I don't even know if I can fit that. My wrists are small, but I don't know if they're that small. I don't know. We'll have to. Still brand new. My mom had so much jewelry. And some of this I think she got off of QVC. She was a big QVC and home shopping network. Because Joan Rivers' collection, that's what this is from. And I've worn this quite a bit. And I do like it because it goes with so many things. And what it does is, this piece comes off and you can change it. It's magnetized. See? And you can change that bottom color to something else to make it match. So if you're wearing orange, you know, it's whatever color you're wearing, and you can change it out. That's what I like, because it doesn't matter what I'm wearing. This necklace will go with anything and everything I'm wearing. So that's one reason why I kept that one. Let's go back up to this one. I'm making this mainly my husband's drawer. I think I'm going to take a break. I'm a little overwhelmed. I've already seen some sets that I need to put together with these necklaces. I think this right here, which I don't know what I'm going to do, because this is where necklaces would go. You see how many pearl necklaces my mother has? I almost need to take these to somebody and find out, is any of these real? Because I would hate to get rid of one that's actually real. But there's one in here that's extremely long that I do wear. It's that one. I do like this one because it's extremely long. And when I'm wearing a dress or whatever, I like to wear that. But the rest of these, I don't know. That's a lot of pearl necklaces. I'm not going to wear this many. So I need to find out what's real and what's not. So that's going to go into a container of its own, and I'm going to take them and find out what is and what isn't. I may give some of these to the girls, even if they're real or if they're fake. I'll figure it out, and then I may give some of these to the girls. But I'm going to take a break because I'm overwhelmed. And maybe I'll have a straighter head when I come back. I put all my pearls into this other little basket that I have, just so that I can take them to the jeweler. So it's been a couple of days since I filmed, and it got too dark to where you couldn't see what I was doing. All the stuff that I'm getting rid of, I stuck them in here, which I'm going to go back through the stuff because I read a blog. This is all things I couldn't find matching earrings to. But stuff like this, it's a necklace and a bracelet, that's done come back into style. It's like links or whatever, bold links. I may end up keeping this one. And I've got like any bold like these. That's back in style right now. So I'm going to go through some of this. I may end up keeping it. I don't know. I got to go back through it now that I know what. But it's like bold statements, like, you know, stuff like see, here's another chain link. And I think I've got, yeah, I've got earrings to go with it. So all this is back in style. It just needs to be cleaned. So pieces like this have come back into style. This is one of the reasons why Mama always held on to jewelry, because she knew eventually it's going to come back eventually. And this has come back. I just read some blogs about ropes and links and big bold statements. I mean, even bolder than this. If you go look them up, it's like really bold statements. But links was definitely one of them. And they were talking about like links and bracelets as well, which, you know, stuff like this. This is like a rope necklace. I think there's a bracelet in with that. So, and then I have this one, which is a necklace and a bracelet. This is all coming back into style. But I don't know. I think the other day I was getting tired. I was like, if it was something I didn't like, but see, this I would wear. This stuff I'm going to keep, but I'm going to stick it in there for now till I can, because I need to clean this one. I don't know if that's real or not, but that would be a good statement one too, because I was also looking at they had more than one strand together. So they had like long dainty ones, which I have one like that, but they had like bold pieces like this where it was 2 or 3 chains put together. So this could kind of still be in style. Mom, you know, and I'm sure it would be. I don't know if it's something I'm going to wear though. That's my issue. Is am I going to wear it? But I know I'm not going to wear all these. I'm also going to take to the jeweler these earrings that had all the broken gems out of them. The jeweler that I go to, he can take these jewels out and repurpose these earrings to make a different, to repurpose it and make it something else. So he can maybe turn it into a ring maybe or something. And then Mama had this single little, I don't know if that's a crystal. I'm thinking that's what that is. But it's never been taken out of this package. Looks like it could go in a ring or something. Maybe combined it maybe. And then I have the single pearl earring as well. I don't know. Maybe they can repurpose it and make me something different maybe. I don't know. But if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?